This is an emotion-focused visualization. So the primary goal is to bring the emotions to life through your whole body as much as possible. These types of visualizations are used in a bunch of healing programs. People use them for about an hour a day, and they make great progress on overcoming chronic diseases. But they're in multiple programs, and they're just using a basic tool. The programs use other tools as well. They're comprehensive, but this is one of the big components. So let's smile, and the feeling is awe and happiness and peace. Taking a walk and sitting next to a stream. It's winter, with just a little snow on the ground. So it's just absolutely gorgeous outside. I'm going to use first person, like I walk, I feel happy. And I want you to imagine that that's you. And then also repeat after me a few times, especially things like how you're feeling or something that you really love. So if I say I'm feeling happy and I'm just in awe of how beautiful it is, then you might repeat that or just a part of it or even change it a little bit to match you. It just makes it come to life more for you when you say it out loud. Okay, so smile and take a deep breath with a long exhale. Maybe a sigh on the exhale. Go at a pace that feels comfortable to you. Let's do another one, and this time tense the muscles as you breathe in and then fully relax them as you breathe out. A big smile. The feeling is just happiness and awe. So I'm at a stream, and it has a gentle path that you can walk by it. It's cold outside, it's winter. There's a little bit of snow on the ground, and so everything is just beautiful. The sun is shining, there's no wind, and I'm bundled up adequately. So I'm standing there and I'm just looking around. It's so peaceful and pretty. It feels new and fresh. Like the winter, a new year, everything just starting over. And clean. The snow is so clean and shiny and bright. It's still, there's hardly any noise. The wind moves just a little bit. And the air is mostly still, just the tiniest bit of movement in it. I could feel the sunshine on my skin though, on the little bits that are showing, like my face. It's chilly, but the fact that there's no wind hardly helps a lot, and the sun shining helps a lot, and being bundled up helps a lot, and I feel cozy, I feel fine, warm enough. And I start to walk along a creek. The sun has melted most of the snow where I'm walking, so it's easy to walk. And just watch the ground move under me. It's so peaceful. And I watch the trees as I go by. Some of the branches have a little snow and some don't. They're just really pretty. It's just so amazing how beautiful nature is. God made a beautiful world. And I'm just taking it in. And I stop and I put my hand on a tree. I take my glove off. And I could just feel the grounding by touching it. I could feel its bark and the grooves and the coolness of the surface. And then just feel that peace there. And I breathe in the clean air. I continue walking. I feel vibrant and healthy and happy. But it's a very calm energy and peaceful energy. I enjoy the movement. There's no rush. And the creek bends a little bit and I keep walking with it. Watch the water trickle a little, move a little. And just enjoy being in the presence of the sunshine. My body feels in sync with nature by being out there. And I come to a big rock. And I have a seat on it, and my butt feels a little chilly from it. But it quickly adapts and feels fine. And the rock was in a good sunshine spot, so there's no snow on it, but just a nice comfy place to sit back. And I just take it all in, looking at how pretty it is out here. I'm just happy to be connected with it and to get to spend this time here. In awe of how beautiful everything is. The sun, the snow glistening, the water gently moving. I can feel the cool air and the sun on my face. It smells so clean and fresh. And the stillness, it's so quiet, so peaceful. And the feeling is being in awe of the beauty, being at peace, and being happy. The color is the white glistening snow, and it goes all through my body, the color of snow and clean, fresh snow. Feeling awe, peace, and happiness. Smiling. It goes through my head and my shoulders, this color and feeling. Down my arms. Feel happy. White, peaceful. On my torso. And down my legs. And one more deep breath. Very good.